Hi, my name's Sophia and I'm an instructor with Science Venture. We're going to be doing our Topic 4 weather kit. We're going to need our 4 cups, and inside we have our push pin, and our straws, our pencil, and then some extra materials that you'll need from home are scissors, a hole punch if you have one, if not scissors work too, and then some scrap cardboard and a marker to mark the cardboard. So we're going to start by drawing a circle on our cardboard and cutting it out. Once we have that, you can add your north, east, south, and west markings on there. And that is going to be the base for our weather vane. Next, we're going to take one of the paper cups and we're going to put 4 holes in it. You can use scissors and poke a hole through the cup. Just be careful, or you can go ahead and use your hole punch. Make sure they're equally spaced out. And then we can slide our straws through the holes. Just 2 straws overlapping at the middle. And next we're going to poke a hole in the base of our cup about the size of our pencil, because we want our pencil to go through it. Once we have that, we're going to put our pencil, the eraser end, through this hole until it's touching the straws where they cross. We're then going to take our push pin and stick it through where the straws cross into our eraser end of our pencil. Once we have our 4 cups and we put 2 holes in them, we can go ahead and attach them to the ends of the straws. I'm going to secure mine with a little bit of tape. Then you can go ahead and attach it to your base, and we have our very own weather vane. We have a second weather vane activity to help us measure our wind speed from our Topic 4 weather kit. We're going to need our piece of paper, some scrap cardboard, a marker, scissors, a ruler, pencil, a straw, and a push pin. So on our paper, we can go ahead and draw an equilateral triangle. So all sides are the same, and that's 4 centimeters. And then we're going to draw this kind of flag shape, and this is 4 centimeters at the top, 4 centimeters going down, and then these sides are 2.5 centimeters. So we can go ahead and cut that out. And then with our straw, we're going to cut a slit on each end. Once we've done that, we can slide our shapes that we cut out into the slits. So we have an arrow. Then we're going to put our push pin in the middle of the straw. and put it in the eraser end of our pencil. We can put that aside for now. On some scrap cardboard, we're going to draw a circle and cut that out. And we can write our north, east, south, and west directions on this. And then we have our very own weather vane, so it'll point in the direction the wind is blowing.